Have you ever eaten something and thought, it needs something extra, but it's not salt, it's not pepper, it's not extra sweetness, it's acid. And pickles are an excellent acid delivery system. They're like little landmines of extra flavour you can add in. They're great on sandwiches and burritos. I had some on my ramen noodles the other day. They're just, excellent to have. And today I'm going to show you how to make pickled, focus, pickled jalapeños and pickled red onion. These are going to be your favourite thing in the fridge. They'll last for about 4 weeks after you open them. They are delicious and they are dead easy to make. Let's jump in and make some. I'm going to be making a different brine for each of the pickles in this video, and we'll start off with the brine for the red onions, which consists of 1 cup of water, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 cloves of coarsely chopped garlic, and finally 2 tablespoons of pickling spices that consist of mustard seed, black peppercorn and dill seeds. Now bring this to a boil on the stovetop, making sure the salt and sugar have completely dissolved. Cut 2 onions in half and then slice them wafer thin. Pour the brine over the red onions and allow it to hang out for about 20 minutes. While the red onions are chilling out, we can move on to the brine for the jalapeños. We'll need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 4 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 cloves of coarsely chopped garlic, and then move this over to the stovetop to bring to a boil and making sure that all of the sugar and salt are fully dissolved. Chop up between 20 and 25 jalapeños, keeping the seeds in because we like things here spicy. And once again, pour over the hot brine and let them hang out for about 20 minutes. Now that enough time has passed, we can bottle up the red onion, topping off the jar with the remaining liquid needed, and following suit with the jalapeños. I've let both of these hang out in the fridge overnight just so they can intensify in their flavour, and we'll start off with the red onion. It's got a sharp, delicious taste to it, with still maintaining quite a bit of the crunch that you'd expect from an onion. They have a surprising bit of spice to them, but it is welcome. The initial heat from the hot brine has softened up the skin of the jalapeños, but left the flesh nice and tender. They're rich and full of flavour, there's quite a bit of spice there in your mouth. Over time they will get a little more mild in the fridge. These are both great if you're looking to add a bit of spice or flavour to something. Well, if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up and thanks a lot for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.